Guys, this is my second day trading with the Meteora system. And it has already closed several, actually not just several, but many trades. As you can see, there have been 7 trades. And these are the open trades, these ones right here. Let's go through the ones that have already been closed. So, New Zealand dollar against the yen. I'll just show it to you like this so you can understand how it works. So, New Zealand dollar against the yen. I noticed this trade too late and entered the trade here. And here's the closing moment. The closing level was here. Well, we made a little profit, 81 cents. The trade lot size is small, so the profits are small as well. So if your lot size is bigger, your profit will naturally be bigger as well. Well, it all makes sense here. I think you understand. At the moment, the system is being tested, so I'm not chasing profits. I'm focused, chasing exactly the goal of seeing how it works and how it earns. The second trade is better, USD against the Singapore dollar. I opened another one here today, and yesterday's was right here where I got the signal. Or rather, after I installed this system, I saw that there were signals, but they hadn't closed yet. I made a trade here, and it closed. As you can see, there's a level for closing here. According to the calculations performed by the system, the total profit generated from these 3 signals in this particular case was approximately 500 individual points, whereas my own personal trade was officially closed right at this specific point. Now, let's examine another example of a trade. Australian dollar against USD. Here is this financial asset, and here is this specific trade. Made a profit. Let's move on. Pound against yen. Pound against yen. So basically I entered at the level where this signal was. Not immediately, yes, after some time. And the level for closing was very minimal. So here, well, I didn't make anything. An 11-cent loss. Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. And now I'll show you the final result. The specific trade we are looking at was initiated here, and it eventually reached its conclusion right at this point. This final closing price level has now been successfully reached. Another trade. The Australian dollar against, no, the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc, specifically against the Swiss franc, in today's trading session. The trade was here, closed here. This is the closing level. Everything works intuitively. Red line means sell, blue line means buy. And the result for this specific historical period of market activity is shown and clearly demonstrated and visualized on this chart right here. In this case, the profit factor is 5, which essentially means that the total profits generated are 5 times greater than the total losses incurred during this time. Well, I think that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at another asset. Here too, the profits are about 5 times greater than the losses. Australian dollar against USD, no, against the yen actually. Here, the profits are only 27% higher. But if we take a much broader look at the specific time period displayed in the history, I'll show you exactly how the entire process functions at this moment. Look, right here, I have the total net profit that has been carefully calculated for the year 2006, and that is for a full duration of 6 consecutive months. It ends right here, and as you can clearly see, up to this specific point, the indicator shows consistent profitability. Now, we can actually increase the amount of displayed history on the chart. Let's go ahead and take the very beginning of 2025 as our starting point, and voila! Just like that, the data updates perfectly. The profit factor has already increased. So, we see that this indicator only didn't work during this year, 2026. But in the year 2025, the strategy worked even more effectively than before, primarily because the overall profit factor increased significantly. And as a direct result, we can now move much further back to the left side of the chart to carefully examine the entire comprehensive history of exactly how it performed over a much longer period of time. And here, the total number of profit points for this history is displayed. I make sure to set a strictly limited history for display during my trading sessions so as not to overload my MetaTrader 5 platform. This is important because, as you know, the more graphical objects and complex data indicators there are on the screen, the worse the platform performs in terms of speed and responsiveness. I'm not saying this is the holy grail. If you take a close look at the price chart displayed on the screen, you will notice that there are many losing trades occurring. These specific instances are clearly shown here, appearing both directly on the vertical scale itself and also right here in the main section of the graph for you to see. But overall, look, we see that the blue line appears right before an upward movement and the red one before a decline. Rise, fall, rise, fall. But sometimes we make a trade. Let's look at some other asset. There are a lot of profitable trades here. Let's find something with fewer. Here, for example, right here. Here, the rise happened after the blue line, but before it, there was a drawdown, then growth. Here too, the decline came after the red lines, but before that, there were these kinds of trading drawdown waves. And right here, we unfortunately experienced a bit of a loss. This happened because it really seemed like the market was consistently going up and the overall market balance was clearly trending upward. But then, quite unexpectedly, it started to fall back down again. Consequently, these two specific trades resulted in a net loss for us, whereas the next two trades that followed were actually quite profitable. So a series of 4 trades ended with a loss, then the next ones were profitable. And that is how it functions in practice. That's why, of course, before publishing this system, I would like to test it. It's cool, it's great, it's intuitively understandable, and most importantly, it's profitable. And it has a small drawdown because many assets are open at the same time. You see, some are profitable, some are at a loss. 7 trades have already closed with a profit in just 1 day. This is a live trading system where you don't have to wait for trading signals for weeks. Several signals a day are guaranteed here, but I want to see how to trade it manually. Because I could make a trading bot for it, and I probably will, maybe or maybe not. But it is designed for those who like to trade manually. For manual trading. Because manual trading is something completely different. It's about, let's say, a lifestyle, and about the fact that the trader keeps everything in their own hands and in their own mind. They live by this system. There are push notifications here that will come as pop-up windows and to your phones. You can trade from your phone. The utility will pick up all these trades and manage them. So it will be a convenient system. Everything here is intuitive and everything is profitable. And this is confirmed not just by my words, but already by some initial results. I hope that the profitability chart will continue to rise. I'm confident in that. And regarding the historical data for each asset, I didn't do any kind of curve fitting to the history. You just apply it to any price chart, and it simply shows, for example, that here the profit is twice as much as the loss. Here, the profit is 3 times greater than the loss. Now, looking closely at the next chart, you can see there's almost no profit visible at all. But I have specifically set it up to cover a much longer historical period for us. Let's take the year 2025 right now and significantly increase the overall analysis period. And what exactly do we get when we look at these results? Okay, hello? It's loading. 1.45, so that's 50% more profit than loss. You can trade with this kind of ratio. Or rather, this is the profit factor, which shows how much more profit there is compared to loss. With this percentage, you can trade, but on the vast majority of currency pairs, the profit factor is in the positive range like this. Here, there's 5 times more profit than loss. Here there's more loss, but over the entire period, over a year and a half, there's still more profit. I chose this currency pair in order to diversify the trading results. Here, there's 4 times more profit, here 2.5 times more profit than loss. Here, there's 40% more. Here, the amount of profit and loss is almost equal. It's the same, but over long extended historical periods, the profit factor is good. Here, it's 5.5 times more. So when looking at the big picture, the entire trading system will consistently produce a significantly higher amount of profit than loss. And these occasional losing trades on some specific currency pairs will be effectively balanced out and compensated for by profitable trades on various other currency pairs across the market. Everything works semi-automatically. I receive a signal in the form of a push notification on my phone or through the platform. I make the trade, and then the utility closes this trade according to these closing signals when the market balance histogram reaches the levels for closing. That's how simply it all works. If everything goes well, of course, I will share this system with other traders and publish it on MQL5. That's all for now. See you in the next videos. Bye.